up in the morning, big yawn, sleepy smile. Time to take care of those teeth for a while. Grab your toothbrush, add a little paste. Minty fresh bubbles, ready, set, taste. Top and bottom, front and back. Tiny circles, that's the hack. Don't rush through it, take your time. Healthy teeth are feeling fine. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. 2 whole minutes, count with me. Morning and night, that's what we do to keep them strong and shiny too. Brush, brush, don't forget, every tooth is important yet. A happy smile from me to you. Clean teeth help your whole day through. Food bits hiding way back there. Sugar bugs say, we don't care. But the brush goes swoosh, the brush goes swish, sending those germs on a one-way trip. Up and down and side to side, let your toothbrush be your guide. Gentle pressure, not too tough. Clean is good, hard is rough. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. 2 whole minutes, count with me. Morning and night, that's the way to keep cavities away. Brush, brush, smile so bright. Healthy habits feel just right. Strong white teeth that like to chew. Clean teeth help your whole day through. Don't forget your tongue, say ah! That's where sneaky germs can hide. Rinse it out, spit in the sink. Almost done, what do you think? Floss, floss, slide between where your brush has never been. Tiny spaces in between. Now they're fresh and super clean. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. 2 whole minutes, you and me. Morning, night, and every day. That's the healthy, happy way. Brush, floss, rinse, high five. Your smile's ready to shine alive. Strong, clean teeth